I love the way that rotates in the Hammerhead. I have my DIY sport plane mini out here today. Gonna fly it on it. It's been a long time since I have flown this one. Alright, launching. Takes right off. I'm a little rusty with this one. I'm really rusty with this one. But it's pretty easy to fly. I love the way that rotates in the Hammerhead. This one reminds me of my Volantex Saber, the way it handles, the way it flies. The way it rotates like that, slowly in a turn. So I've got a link to the playlist in the show notes. So if you guys are interested in building one yourselves, there's plans, there's docs, there's tips for how to build it, discussion of the components that I have in it. I'm flying it on a 3S. I love that. Roller coaster turns. I have my timer set for 6 minutes. But depending on how hard you push it, you can get a 7 to 8 minute flight out of it with the little 3S 650 milliamp hour LiPo that I'm using. It's very maneuverable, very stable, pretty forgiving airframe. Tons of power. Kind of floaty. Yeah, like a sport 3D plane should be. Rolls seem pretty axial. Pretty symmetrical. And it does hammerheads really well, and I'm not very good at hammerheads, but this one makes it pretty easy. It just pivots right at the top. Alright, I'm starting to get my haptic. Let's come back around one last circuit here. We'll do our approach. Put it into stabilization mode. Ow! Told you I was rusty with it. That was kind of a hard landing. That's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.